and in difference to the distance of our esteemed political leaders, I have agreed to yet again make a personal sacrifice by stepping down as the Speaker of this great assembly. Dear distinguished and gallant honorable members of this 10th assembly, occasionally we are confronted with esteemed overwhelming challenges in conflict management, but as a responsible leader, we will not bring down the legislative house. We collectively build in pursuit of justice and fairness. For those who have been unfairly verified for standing on the side of fair play, kindly take note that there will always be opportunity to right any wrong. I am encouraged by the dialogue of personal messages, phone calls, public show of support, and groundswell of solidarity from a broad spectrum of our society. Indeed, our nation is blessed with great men and women of honor. It is my fervent hope that the leadership of our great party will continue to provide guidance and support for the aspiration of our people. I sincerely thank you all for your understanding and support. Just like we know that the party decision is supreme. At this point, I take a bow as your Speaker, and I step down as your Speaker of this great House. But before I leave, I have a little song. And I give the credit to one of our Islamic singers. Oreni, Oreni, ibi ẹlẹ́wà dé yìí náà, Oreni. Àwọn mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ká tó sáré bẹ́yìn kan mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ní ilé wa. God bless Lagos State and God bless Nigeria.
Order 2, Rule 10. Whenever vacancy in the office of Speaker or Deputy Speaker, whenever a vacancy has occurred in the office of the Speaker or Deputy Speaker during a session, the clerk shall report same to the House and shall forthwith proceed to the election of a new Speaker and a Deputy Speaker. So, as a result of this, I would like to call for election of the Deputy Speaker. Motion for election for the office of the Deputy Speaker, please.
Thank you very much. This is the opportunity and the time we have been waiting for. At this moment, I, Honorable Rauf Olawale Agesulaiman, representing Amu-Odofin Constituency 2, hereby in line with Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended, Section 92, subsection 1, nominates the Right Honorable Speaker, the Right Honorable Miranda Mojisola Lasbat to take the chair of Deputy Speaker of Lagos State House of Assembly.
Any further nominations?
comment. Thank you, Acting Clerk. I, Abiodun Orekoya, Honorable Abiodun Orekoya, represent Shomolu Constituency 1, hereby rise to second the motion of the nomination, of Right Honorable Mojisola Meranda to take the seat of the Deputy Speaker of this Honorable House. I so second.
Any further nominations? In the absence of no other nominations, I hereby declare Honorable Lasbat Miranda as the Deputy Speaker of the 10th Assembly. Thank you very much. The proposal and the seconder to move her to our rightful place, please. People Directorate.
Administration of oath of office to the office of the Deputy Speaker on Mrs. Honorable Mrs. Mojisola Meranda as the Deputy Speaker of the House of the 10th House of Assembly. Madam Chief, 10th House of Assembly, you have elected to say on the ground. I, Right Honorable Mojisola Meranda, do solemnly swear that in the service of the state as the Deputy Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Lagos State of Nigeria at all times. I will not discriminate on the basis of religion, tribe, color, or status, or practice any form of partiality in the performance of my official duties. I will always perform my official duties diligently and efficiently. I will not engage or be involved in any activities in conflict, either directly or indirectly, with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. I will, in the performance of my official duties, trail and expose corruption in any of the spaces in and outside the public service. I will not communicate or reveal any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties to any person except as may be required for the due discharge of my official duties or as may be officially permitted by the Speaker. I will always follow the path of justice, honesty, and concord among all the people of Lagos State in particular and Nigeria in general. In all
For the post of the Speaker,
Good afternoon, distinguished colleagues. I, Honorable Noim Adams, representing the good people of Etiosa Constituency 1, rise this afternoon to nominate Right Honorable Dr. Mudashiru Ajayi Obasa to take the chair as the Speaker of this prestigious Lagos State House of Assembly. I so nominate.
Good afternoon, Mr. Clark, our party leader, ladies and gentlemen. I, Honorable Prince Nureni Ayinde Akinsanya, representing the good people of Mushin, I rise to second the motion as moved. Thank you. I hereby second the nomination of Honorable Mudashiru Ajayi Obasa as the Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly. Thank you.
any other nominations? Any other nominations? Any other nominations? In view of no other nominations, I hereby declare Honorable Ajayi Obasa as the new Speaker of the 10th Assembly, Lagos State House of Assembly. Legal Directorate. Legal Directorate.
Administration of oath of the office of the Speaker on Honorable Mr. Mudashiru Ajayi Obasa as the Speaker of the 10th House of Assembly. He has elected to swear on the Holy Quran.
I, Mudashiru Ajayi Obasa, solemnly swear that in the service of the state as the Speaker of Lagos State House of Assembly, I will be faithful, bearing true allegiance to Lagos State of Nigeria at all times. I will not discriminate on the basis of religion, tribe, cause, status, or practice in practice of any form of partiality in the performance of my official duties. I will always perform my official duties diligently and efficiently. I will not engage or be involved in any activities in conflict, either directly or indirectly, with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. I will, in the performance of my official duties, eschew and expose corruption in any of its traces in and outside the public service. I will not communicate or reveal any matter which shall be brought under my consideration
or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties to any person except as may be required for the due discharge of my official duties as the Speaker. I will always follow the path of justice, honesty, and purpose among all the people of Lagos State, in particular, Nigeria in general, in all I do. Help me, Allah.
Thank you very much, sir. Sorry, sir. Please put your signature here. Congratulations, sir. Sir, please, you have to sign the second one. There you go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Well, good afternoon, distinguished colleagues. I want to start by appreciating my colleagues. I want to thank you for your support, your dedication, your loyalty, and your staunch belief in our party and the utmost respect for our party leaders. I thank you, and I will always appreciate you for all you do. And let me sincerely single out my sister, the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Mojisola Meranda, who has been very, very, very supportive, loyal as Deputy Speaker. I thank you, ma'am, for everything. Thank you. God bless you. Let me also recognize our party chairman, Cornelius Ejelabi, and his team from our party secretariat. I thank you. I thank you for everything. Our Attorney General, Mr. Pedro, we thank you for being in our midst today. And management and staff of Lagos State House of Assembly, without you, we won't get to this stage. Above common standard of excellence, just don't come freely. But because of the hard work you put into the business of this house, the Lagos State House of Assembly, I thank you for all you do. And I believe this is a challenge to you all, for you to do more. I thank you. We always recognize you for what you put into the business of the Lagos State House of Assembly. I'm very sure dear Lagosians would like to hear more from me, but I want to sincerely say today is not the day for speech making, but to appreciate my colleagues and all our leaders who have put a lot to this gathering today. We thank them. Particularly, I must recognize our national leader, the former governor of Osun State, Babisi Akonde, and his counterpart from Ogun State, Aremo, former governor of Ogun State, Aremo Olusegun Oshoba, and all our GAC leaders. We thank them. Our amiable governor, his deputy from Lagos State, and other party loyalists. We thank you, we recognize all of you. And we want to assure Lagosians that for us, we have resolved and determined to serve their interests and protect their interests always. Our major responsibility is to represent them, and that we have been doing. So I'll also add this, that what is happening here today shows that Lagos State House of Assembly is very capable, and it's a house of integrity, a mature house that has internal mechanism to resolve in the interest of the institution and our party. As I have said, today is not a speech-making day, but a day to celebrate my colleagues. To celebrate my colleagues and thank them for all they've been doing. And I'm sure we'll continue to work together in peace, in love, and in harmony. So once again, I want to thank you. God bless all of us. Thank you for everything. And I must not leave behind our friends, the fifth colonies of the realm, Huh? Is it? Sorry, fourth estate of the year. Fourth estate. Thank you, my brother. So we want to thank you for your support in all this. The role you have played, we thank you, we appreciate it. So God bless you abundantly as well. So as I have said, today is not the speech-making day. We will really create time to come back and address it. So on this note, I want to call on Majority Leader to adjourn the sitting of the House.
Distinguished colleagues, we have come to the end of this plenary. I have the directives. Move that this House adjourn synod. I so move.
Honorable Abiodun Ogule.
I second the motion as moved, right, Honorable Speaker.
All in favor say aye. Aye. All in favor say aye. Aye. Those against nay, the ayes have it. This House stands adjourned. Synod. I rise.